50% more than SRP. Wild. Labas na yung mga bagong AMD GPUs and maganda yung mga SRP nila. For the 9070, SRP is around 31,300 pesos and for the 9070 XT, it's around 34,200 pesos. But the average local price for a 9070 is 46,800 pesos. And the average price for the 9070 XT is 48,900. This is Sulit Pa Saturday, where we take a look at GPU and CPU pricing data from our PriceWatch tracking sheet. Ang dami pang pricing data doon para sa ibang GPUs and CPUs. Makikita mo yun lahat at bit.ly/HWS PriceWatch. Or panoorin mo yung latest PriceWatch episode namin sa YouTube, where we break down all of the important GPU and CPU pricing trends. Balik tayo sa 9070 series. May nahanap pa nga kami isang shop na presyong 9070 XT ang 9070. So you would pay the price of the more expensive, faster card for the slower card. Baka justified yun, baka hindi, pero at least ngayon may hard data ka na to help you decide if now is a good time to buy or hold muna. See you again next week for another Sulit Ba Saturday.